Okay, we're back, everyone. So we bolted in our bracket with the 2-inch stainless lag bolts, the stainless washers. And I got my bolts in the middle of the hole here, as much as I can, just eyeballing it, 12 inches from the wall. And okay, and once again, I got this bracket that I had to cut to fit under the grooves here to hold this from falling down into the pipe. So that's all done. Now we just need to put put on the wax ring. And if tightening the bracket or tightening your thing to the floor doesn't anchor this, they have little plastic things that come with the wax seal that will hold the bolt in place, which is very handy when you're trying to lower a toilet with a wax ring onto it, so to keep it from moving. This one's solid when I put this down, but this one's got a little bit of wiggle to it, so I put the ring on this side, a little plastic ring just to hold it in place. So the next thing we're going to do is just put the wax ring on and try and get a nice fit, a nice seal. So yep, we'll get to it.